Hi friends, hope you're doing good. As you were aware, my recent trip was to Kolattur, and this was on the way to one of the secondary biggest aquarium store, the Zaman Aquariums. So thought of visiting it there because I came to know that they are dealers for these Sobo and Dolphin brands. So thought why not visit this prior to Aquastar. So my friend was very helpful in taking me there as he is one of the regular customer over there. So thought why can visit there. So let's get inside, guys. This is very well professionally, neatly maintained shop in Chennai. It's far more very professional than the Aquastar. Customer attending is very very good. They attend you very well. Whether you buy for 10 rupees or 10,000 rupees, the customer satisfaction is really damn good. I think it's one of the best shop to visit there if you are in search of any kind of soap or dolphin kind of stuffs. They do have every type of canisters, hanging feeders, lights, and these decorative items. Definitely worth trying this shop compared to many other shops in Chennai who doesn't respond to customer properly. And here the staffs are very polite and they do care for your valid questions, and they do answer very politely for all your queries. So that's really one of the biggest positive point of this shop. I think definitely you guys have to try here. And very mainly there's a separate planted setup in the inside this shop. It's a separate segment. I think definitely worth visiting it. It's like very super cool cabin which is consisting of all kinds of planted Kiwagami setup, dry rock setup. It's very good. I think your kids will love it. These are few footsteps and marine sands, driftwoods. Right behind this is the planted tank cabin which I was talking about. They do have a tiny table to discuss on if you are interested on the any planted setups. These are one of the coolest setup I have seen. It's like very polite, not too much of hype. It's too cool. And this you can see it's damn good. It's a ADS style of tank. Prices also very less compared to other market. I don't want to reveal the prices of the tank, but it was very damn neat, made like an ADS standard. So definitely you can try here. This was Zaman Aquariums, and I didn't want to talk much on the fish stock over here because they do have also fish stock and retail do, but I was not here for any kind of fish purchase, and so I didn't want to cover those topic. My topic was only on the dry items and visit, and mainly it was on customer orientation and customer responding. So I think it's very damn good. Thumbs up for this Zaman Aquariums. Very good staffs. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Keep posted for my other videos from Kodattur. Thank you. Signing off, your Thor. Bye.